Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to shift between gears, or do you feel jerks while driving? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P078112, Shift Malfunction, this means your transmission is failing to shift properly from first to second gear. Ignoring this issue can lead to complete transmission failure. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0781 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0781? The P0781 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module detects an issue with the 1-2 gear shift mechanism. This could be due to faulty solenoids, damaged sensors, or internal transmission failure. Symptoms of P0781 include hard or delayed shifting from first to second gear, transmission slipping, jerking shifts, check engine light, and poor fuel efficiency. To diagnose P0781, check the shift solenoid inside the transmission valve body, under the fluid pan. It controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting between gears. The transmission control module is typically found on the transmission housing or near the firewall. The transmission range sensor is mounted near the gearshift linkage and detects gear position. Input and output speed sensors are attached to the transmission housing near the shafts. Check all wiring and connectors. Damaged wiring can cause shifting problems. Common causes include faulty solenoids, low transmission fluid, malfunctioning TCM, worn clutch packs, and electrical issues. To fix P0781, check fluid levels, test solenoid resistance with a multimeter, inspect wiring, check the TCM, and clear codes after repairs. Diagnosing P0781 early prevents costly repairs. Always check solenoids, wiring, and fluid. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.